So I was walking my dog today this morning. There she is. Gemma, say hi. Gemma, say hi. Anyway, I was thinking to myself, thank goodness I have a toilet. And I don't mean like, I understand there's people in this world who are without a lot of the necessities in life. That's not what I'm talking about. I'm talking about thank goodness I have a toilet. Because when I see my dog Gemma, when she's on a walk and it's time to go number 2, it's a freaking process, right? It's a decision. We got to stop. We got to smell 19 different spots. We got to fake squat. We got to think about it. We got to walk another couple hundred yards. We got to stop. We got to sniff, and it's just a process. Like you got to find the right spot to go when you're a dog, and we as humans, we really don't have to worry about that, right? Like if I got to go, I just go to my bathroom, right? I know where my toilet's at, and if I'm out in public and I don't know where the toilet's at, all I gotta do is ask, and there's a designated spot for me to go. That decision has been made for us humans, thank goodness. It's a decision we don't have to worry about. And that's kind of like having an online business. If you can remove some of the decisions that you have to make, then having an online business becomes so much easier, because let's be honest, every single business model that you hear about, whether you want to have $1 million business or whether you just want to have a side hustle, everything you researched and heard about probably works, right? But the problem is you got to go out there and make it work. So what you have to do is you have to start simplifying the process. Remove as many decisions as possible. And the way you start is by choosing one method. Like forget about shiny objects, choose one method and go all in on it. And invest your money, invest your time, and say, hey, this is my model. The decision's been made, right? Then you don't have to worry about, is this going to work or is this not going to work? You just go all in on it. That decision's done, and you can worry about other things. You can start making other decisions that are going to help move you forward. If you want to model success, it's probably a good idea. You don't have to model exactly what I do. You can choose somebody else you trust or follow or believe in and model what they're doing. But it's probably a good idea to choose something that's validated first. And if you want to choose the one business that I'm all in on, then go over to my15daychallenge.com. Depending on where you're watching this, there might be a link as well. And partner up with Legendary Marketer. Learn high-ticket affiliate marketing, learn the products, and then guess what? Promote their products. Everybody on this planet needs to learn marketing, so you can apply the products inside Legendary Marketer to every single person, every single niche on this planet. Go all in. Decisions made, right? And it's important to learn the products, but the good thing about promoting Legendary Marketer and working with Legendary Marketer is when you learn their products, you're going to learn marketing as well. So it's kind of like a 2-in-1. Anyways, that's my thought for today. Thank goodness I have a toilet. We'll see you in the next video.